Welcome to Tech Solution. Macard Wi-Fi Extender Setup. Open your computer or laptop. Macard Wi-Fi Extender Setup. You can connect your PC to the extender's network using an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser of your choice. Enter the IP address http://192.168.10.1 in the address bar. Enter your login credentials and click Login to access the web interface of the extender. The web interface will search for all the available networks around the extender. After that, select the network and enter the correct password to connect. Give the extender some time to form a connection successfully with the router. At last, configure the settings and relocate the extender. Thanks for watching.